Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Its name is Side Hustler. Let me introduce myself. My name is Priyanshu Gupta. I am living in Scarborough, Ontario. I was an international student and I got my work permit in the month of December. The reason of creating this YouTube channel to educate people regarding affiliate marketing, stock market, crypto market, how you can earn money online, and many more. Many of you guys know me from the YouTube channel Priyanshu Vlogs, in which I make videos in Hindi language, because there are so many people who are in India, mostly parents, who don't understand English language because they don't have any time to learn that skill. That's why I was creating videos in Hindi language in that channel. So don't worry, don't make fun of my English language, because I got only 6.5 bands and overall 6, not less than 6 bands in each module. Moreover, I'm like you, because I'm just trying to conversate in English language so that I can increase my English skills. I have confidence, I can face camera, but when it comes to English, I stuck sometimes. And you will notice so many cuts in this video because I try my best to provide you information in English language. There are so many students and people who are from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, who only understand English, not Hindi, and their own language. So in this channel, I will definitely introduce some topics regarding affiliate marketing, stock market, and many more ways to earn money online. So I joined affiliate marketing like 2 to 3 weeks ago. Earlier I was thinking about it like it's a scam. Mostly people get trapped in the scam, like how you can make money online. People are making $5,000 a week. It was seriously unbelievable for me. I was quite nervous before joining this program because there are so many people who are scammers, who only want to scam you, who only wants money from you. That's it. In return you will get nothing. In this video I'm going to share about affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing, and I will add that videos in the playlist of affiliate marketing, crypto market, share market, Canadian stocks market, types of applications you can use for cryptocurrencies, share market, and many more. So basically affiliate marketing is a basic concept which is used by all the YouTubers and content creators. Whenever you will visit any YouTube channel, you will see the description on that video which consists some links of Amazon. So they use Amazon Associate. So my next video will be regarding Amazon Associate, how you can create links, affiliate links of Amazon, and sell it online and get the 10 to 20% or up to 35% commission on the product. It totally depends upon the product, what kind of product you are selling online. For example, if someone buy cameras from your link which is worth of like $700 to $800 to $2,000, you can get like $300 commission in that. But if you are selling something which costs around $10, you will get only $1 or $2. So it totally depends upon you what kind of product you are selling online on YouTube channel. So what is affiliate marketing? We don't need any inventory, we don't need any product in affiliate marketing. We just get the commission. We are helping some companies to sell their products to customers. We are acting as an intermediate. In return, the company gives us the good commission. There are so many types of affiliate marketing. One is I told you earlier, and another one is high ticket affiliate marketing. In high ticket affiliate marketing, you need only 10 people to make $10,000. Yeah, I'm right. You need only 10 people to make $10,000 online. So how you can do that, which tools you gonna use, I will definitely tell you everything from basic. However, if you haven't completed the 15 days challenge, affiliate marketing challenge. The link is in the description because it will be helpful for you. It is like a introduction, like what is affiliate marketing, how you can do affiliate marketing, and you will get amazing support from that team as well. And I'm feeling blessed because I made like $3,000 in 1 week, but it takes some times to come in my account. Whenever I will receive my paycheck of like 500 or 600 USD, I will keep sharing that paychecks on online platform to show you how much I am earning, to show the transparency between me and the viewers. So tomorrow I will definitely upload video how you can create Amazon associate account, because it is the main concept. But I will recommend you to start your YouTube channel. Don't upload anything, but I will let you know what you have to upload, how you can make money from YouTube as well, plus how you can make money from any platform, from TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, you can make a lot of money from social media platform as well. However, they are not and they are not paying you directly, but indirectly you can make amazing money, because you will notice there are some kind of pages who has like 3.5 million followers, and they are charging like $100 to $200 per post. So if company wants to do promotion, they will definitely go to that page and talk to them and make a deal. So how this works: if someone wants to promote some products, they will like pay you $50 to $100 and you will just post that picture. You should have different rates for stories as well. So according to me, affiliate marketing is little bit easier as compared to Amazon, FBA, Shopify, because we need product, we have to do product research, we have to take care of customer support, we have to order the products from Alibaba, and we have to ship that product, and many more things. There are so many complications. Yeah, people are successful and in that field, but you have to do a lot of hard work, and you need capital of $3,000 to $5,000, which is impossible for an international student, because they need to pay their fees, and the people who are PR, they need to pay their mortgages. And I know there are so many people, 95% of the people who are living paycheck to paycheck. So I don't want that thing. Okay, I want you to earn money online, and I will definitely gonna help you guys. I just want to thank you every person who supported me in my bad circumstances, and who are supporting me right now. So just comment down, like I will definitely going to learn so many things. I will definitely earn money online. I will definitely going to create my affiliate account. Just do it. Okay guys, if you haven't complete the 15 days challenge, link is in my bio. You will get to know each and everything, and in the next video I will make a YouTube video regarding how you can create Amazon associate account through which you can get commissions. Okay, so till that, all the very best. Love you all. Thank you so much for supporting. If you liked my video, just like that and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. Love you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.